The Fox 54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
We're going to start things out tonight over downtown Augusta, where we see mostly cloudy skies across the CSRA. So that goes for everyone. We continue to see that, and we're going to see an increase of cloud coverage overnight as well. So here's a look over that radar, where we continue to see the increase of cloud coverage and also the potential for some precipitation moving in from the Atlantic. Closer towards the Midwest, a lot of severe weather activity going on towards Tornado Alley, including some tornadoes over there. But for us here in the CSRA, we are staying cooler tonight, 57 degrees and overcast conditions. No severe weather outlook for us until we get to about Wednesday and Thursday this upcoming week. Mostly cloudy skies, 10% chance of precipitation continues overnight into tomorrow morning with a 20% chance of precipitation as well. Mostly cloudy skies for tomorrow. Going to feel another overcast day with 74 degrees as our high, cool and breezy conditions as well. Some of those wind gusts could be up to 15 and possibly even 20 miles an hour in some areas. So this is how our day is going to play out for tomorrow. Going into our overnight hours, we do have some precipitation expected. Going to remain some stray showers, and then between the working hours, more 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., we're going to see some mostly cloudy skies, not a lot of rainfall going on. That's all staying down towards the south of Swainsboro. But once we get into the overnight hours for tomorrow, we again have that chance of precipitation between about 3 p.m. and all the way into about 10 to 11 p.m. Another thing that we're going to be seeing this week is going to be some breezy conditions, especially on Tuesday. Those wind gusts could be quite breezy, 23 miles an hour towards Swainsboro, 23 towards Augusta, and 27 towards Savannah. So that is going to be a lot of atmospheric moisture and low pressure that's coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. As we get into Wednesday and Thursday, the wind gusts die down just a bit, but that's when the rain starts to increase. So here's Tuesday. You can see more widespread rain, and then it becomes much heavier rain from the Gulf of Mexico when we get into Wednesday and Thursday. So take a look at this. You can see some of the areas in yellow, possibly even the orange. Going to be some heavier showers that move through the CSRA. Both Georgia and South Carolina need this rain because we haven't seen rain in just over about 30 days. The rainfall does continue into next Saturday and Sunday, so we'll be continuously tracking that. And you can see we're right here in this bullseye area of the red. We're expecting about 4 inches of rain from this system moving through in the next 7 days. So that's going to really help with the dry conditions across both Georgia and South Carolina. But keep in mind, because it's been so dry, we do have to be always on the lookout for flash flooding. Tracking the tropics, we do have an area of interest that we're going to continue to monitor because this could have an impact such as rainfall for us here in the CSRA. This is soon to be, within the next about 10 hours or so, soon to be Tropical Storm Raphael that will move all the way through the coastal regions and then become a Category 1 hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico right before it subsides to another tropical storm. So the CSRA impacts that we could be seeing is this storm slowly dying out and eventually moving through our area. But what that will mean for us is we are going to be seeing some rain, some breezy conditions, and cloudy conditions as well. Keep in mind, this is still very far out. This is up to Thursday, so we're going to keep you updated right here on Fox 54 as that system continues to develop into the Gulf of Mexico. Monday and Tuesday, breezy and rainy conditions. Storms possible with a little bit of instability in our atmosphere both Wednesday and Thursday. Keep in mind, temperatures all week going to be into the upper 70s, and keep the umbrella on hand.